Look at this storm. There's a tornado watch on for it. 100-kilometer plus winds and baseball-sized hail is expected. And that's for the second part of the storm. This is just the first part. There's going to be 2 storms tonight. This is just the initial, breeze through. Whoa. What? Yo! Oh, shoot. Wow. You can really feel it. Woo-hoo-hoo. There's a green hue on here. You can't really see it in the camera, but there's a whole bunch of green in the sky. So yeah, this is the storm going past us and all the wind it's bringing with it. Ooh, this is crazy.